griddle accessories kit, and it's from this brand. It's called Lycani. This one here, look at it. It's really nice. It's a professional griddle toolkit, and it will meet most grilling needs. Also, you can enjoy barbecuing, camping, or cooking at ease. So let's explore what it comes with this tool here. And this is like the shovel. It comes with a pot, comes with a tongue, it comes with this. It has a brush. Wow, look what it comes with. It comes with patterns or molds. The heart, round, 2 hearts. Comes with hooks. Also, it comes with pepper and salt shaker. 2 of them actually. Pepper and salt shaker. And with a brush. Let's see, it comes with much more stuff, which is really nice. This is the tongue. It comes with a burger press. Look at this. This is a burger press, and it's heavy. It has another tongue. More different styles from this. So this and this and this style. This style like has blades from all these sides like that. Just watch out, it's like very sharp from the side. And this style, also this style with the holes, and the fork. It has 2 of these, so you can fill it with butter, with oil, so you can squeeze it on it. Also with a pancake liquid, and it has like a numbered cutter. I don't know if you can see the numbers on it. So it has like the inches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches. And the most important, a bag to pack everything inside of it at ease. So all of these tools can be packed inside of it except for the bowl, which is fine. So you can just like carry it on the side and keep it with it. This grilling pack is amazing. It also makes an amazing gift for people you know love to grill. Also makes an amazing collection that has everything you need for a grilling, for a barbecue party. It's just like perfect grilling accessories, perfect collection for your grilling party. I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching. Cheers.